Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video for you guys because this is a celebratory video because I finally reached 100 subscribers on this channel. That is a huge deal for me. I know, as I've said before, there are lots of YouTubers that have far more than 100 subscribers, but the 100 subscribers that I do have at this particular point for this Haute Bella Experience channel is super amazing to me. I wanted to bring a channel to you guys that was dedicated to, or mainly for, the mature makeup enthusiast. So I'm super excited, you guys. So I went back through some of my videos and I just kind of looked at the content and looked at the products and different things that I was presenting to you, and I realized one thing. I realized that I had never formally introduced myself. I introduced the channel, but I never told you guys what my name was or anything like that. So I want to start all over again, or I want to kind of rewind or back up from that point. And I want to introduce myself to you guys. My name is Patience. I am a freelance makeup artist. Haute Bella Experience is my YouTube channel brand, and it's also my online business name. So that gives you just a little bit of history or a little bit of information regarding this channel. But I wanted to start to address you guys, or to come to you in a more personal and up close type way. So again, my name is Patience. How you guys doing? I'm so glad to meet you. So glad you're here. And with that said, I'm going to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. Yes, a 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be giving away. So I thought long and hard, right? I thought, okay, well, maybe I'll give away a palette, but then I said, no, not a palette, not a palette. So I said, I'm going to try to give my subscribers something that I know that they can use, or that, it's really a no miss type of gift. And that is makeup brushes. So these are the Cala makeup brushes. You will get a foundation brush, a powder brush, a foundation brush, a eyeshadow blending brush, and then an eyebrow brush. You guys know when it comes to brushes, you can use them in any way that you want, but Cala has some really good brushes, and I want to give this away as part of my 100 subscriber giveaway. And also, I'm going to be giving away one of these little babies right here. So I don't know if you guys know what this is or not, but I wanted the lucky winners to be able to enjoy this eyelash applicator. This is super awesome because it is stainless steel, so you don't have to worry so much about contamination and things like that as you're dealing with your eye. I like this better than tweezers because it has a rounded tip. So, I can really get in really closely to that lash line and don't have to worry about scratching my eyelid or anything like that. There's 2 items that you guys can pick up as part of this 100 subscriber giveaway. So the only thing that you have to do, of course, you have to be subscribed to this channel, but you've got to leave a comment that says, I want to win, here on this video. You also have to jump over to Instagram. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to tag 2 of your friends, and you also have to leave a comment there that says, I want to win. And lastly, you have to go to Facebook. You have to go to my Haute Bella Experience Facebook page, like my Haute Bella Experience Facebook page, and also comment there saying, I want to win. So let's just kind of recap. So the 100 subscriber giveaway is going to be this set of Cala brushes, as well as this stainless steel eyelash applicator. And you've got to like this video. You'll have to comment to say, I want to win. You definitely have to be a subscriber. Okay, so you got to subscribe. Then you're going to hop over to Instagram. You're going to leave a comment there, and you're going to say, I want to win. And then you're going to go to my Haute Bella Experience Facebook page, or leave a comment there on Facebook that says, I want to win as well. And I'm going to choose 2 lucky winners. And I'm going to leave this giveaway open, let's say, until July 11th. Okay, so that'll give you guys plenty of time, right? Think of those 2 friends that you want to tag on Instagram. Make sure that you follow all the rules because I cannot wait to get these items to you. You're going to absolutely love them. So again, I want to thank you guys so much for your support. For my 100 subscribers, I am truly, truly, truly thankful for you guys. I want to continue to bring you good content. I want to bring you products that you're interested in. So if there's something that you want to see, something that you're interested in, don't hesitate to leave that down in the comments because I want to be able to give you what you want. But thank you guys so much. I keep saying that, but I can't say it enough. It has encouraged me because there's a lot that goes into making YouTube videos. There's the content part of it, there's the editing part of it, and it's just trying to make certain that I'm giving you guys what you want. So for 100 people, they said, yep, you're giving us what we want. So again, I really, really, truly appreciate you. This is just one of the milestones that I have set for this channel. So we're going to have some other fun stuff that's coming up. So remember, get into this giveaway, follow all the rules, and I will come back and let you guys know who the winners are. And again, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.